How to make e-commerce website in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used open source content management system that powers a significant portion of websites across the internet, in which it offers a versatile tool for creating all types of website. So now to proceed, all you need to do is simply go to wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. Then you will be able to be directed on this dashboard where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options. And now to proceed creating an e-commerce, we can simply start installing a plugins in here by clicking add new plugin that might help us to start creating a new e-commerce in here. You can simply search in here the Elementor plugins. So kindly go to the search bar and simply search the Elementor, then you will be able to see here all of the result of the plugins. So all you need to do in here is to simply click on it or start installing it and activating this one. And as you can see, it has more than 10 million active installation in here. And now after installing it, we can now proceed by choosing the appearance and click themes on the left side panel, in which from here we can simply choose a variety of themes that we prefer. Or to add a new one, we can simply click the add new theme button right here. Upon doing so, you can simply start searching on it. For example, on the search bar, I'm going to search Astral, and it will show you all of the result in here. And at this point, I'm just going to simply click the install button in here under Astral. And after installing it, you can simply start using it or customizing this one. So all you need to do is to simply wait for it to be fully installed. Then click activate button in here to proceed using or customizing this one. And after that, we can click on it right here or simply click this customize button. And after that, below, you simply click the starter templates to proceed to start looking for specific e-commerce website templates. Upon doing so, you will automatically be directed in here and just choose build with templates. Then choose Elementor as the select page builder. And after that, from here, you can simply search the e-commerce in here. So I can click this one and choose, for example, in all of this option, I'm going to choose the clothing stores. So kind of click this one and it will show you all of the clothing stores, which is an e-commerce store in here. So simply click on it if you want to start customizing the specific templates in here. And upon doing so, from here you can simply select the site logo that you can upload from your computer files, even choose the font style, the color palette, and after that just click the continue button to proceed customizing the content of it. And after that, from here you can simply select the features in here. We have your donations, automation integrations, video player, free live chat, and many more. And click the continue button to proceed. Or you could also click the submit and build my website button in here to proceed. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully building your website or e-commerce site in here. Then you will be directed on this page where you can start customizing the elements and also start clicking on any of this content. But let's say we want to start adding or customizing the products it contains on this. Just simply click the visit dashboard button right here to going back to our dashboard section. And from here to start customizing some of the products in here. Or you want to add your own product, you could also start clicking edit with Elementor button on the top panel in here in order to start also customizing the website itself. And at this point, you can simply add a new elements, widgets, and many more depending on your preferences. For example, this context, by simply clicking this one, we can simply start customizing on the left side panel. Here, for example, I'm going to enter the context, style yours truly. And you can add more products in here. To do that, all you need to do is simply go back in our dashboard once again and simply click the products option in here. Then simply click this all products to list or to see all of the lists of your products on the template. And from here, you can start scrolling down to look for a specific kind of product you want to customize. Or you can even delete this one if you want to. Or to add new product, you can click add new product button on the top panel in here. Or even click import or export to proceed. But by clicking this edit button, we can start editing all of the contents or all of the context in here and even the elements, the product, title, the images on the right side panel, the description of it, and many more. And even the pricing in here. And after that, it should be able to be changed on this website if you try to refresh it. And overall, that is just basically how to make e-commerce website in WordPress.